Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Fiber is like the engine oil for your gut. It keeps things running smoothly. When digestion slows or stops processing it, you might notice bloating, but this can also signal deeper changes in gut health. This isn't medical advice, but understanding why it happens helps you recognize when to pay closer attention. Fiber supports your digestive system, and disruptions can affect more than just comfort. They may hint at shifts in how your body processes nutrients. Fiber is the tough part of plants your gut can't digest, like celery strings or apple skins. Not all fiber works the same. Soluble fiber, found in oats and beans, dissolves into a gel that slows digestion, while insoluble fiber, like wheat bran, adds bulk to sweep waste through. Both feed gut bacteria, producing fatty acids that nourish your colon. Without enough fiber, these bacteria starve, disrupting balance and causing bloating or discomfort signs your gut may be struggling. Fiber is the indigestible part of plants that your stomach can't break down. Unlike proteins and fats, it passes through your gut, mostly unchanged, acting like a broom to sweep waste along. But here's the key. Fiber feeds the trillions of bacteria in your intestines. These bacteria ferment fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish your colon's lining and keep digestion smooth. Fiber usually passes through your gut smoothly, feeding beneficial bacteria. But if you suddenly eat more fiber than your gut is used to, like switching from white bread to whole grains too quickly, or if your gut bacteria are out of balance, fiber may not be fermented properly. This can cause bloating, gas, or mild stomach pain. It's not dangerous, but it signals your gut needs time to adjust. To help, increase fiber gradually by 5 grams a day and drink at least 8 cups of water daily. This gives your gut bacteria time to adapt without discomfort. When your gut struggles to digest fiber, like from beans or whole grains, it can cause bloating, gas, or stomach pain. This happens if your gut bacteria aren't used to processing fiber, or if their balance is off. These signs mean your gut may need time to adjust. Small changes, like increasing fiber slowly and drinking water, can help without causing long-term issues. Fiber isn't something to fear, it's essential for gut health. The discomfort you feel when your gut adjusts to fiber is actually a sign it's learning to handle it better. Not that you should avoid it. Gradually increasing your fiber intake and staying hydrated helps your gut bacteria adapt without long-term issues. This process supports digestion and keeps your gut healthy over time. When your gut isn't used to fiber, or if the balance of bacteria is off, it can struggle to ferment it smoothly. This might cause bloating, gas, or discomfort, but these aren't dangerous. They're signals your gut needs time to adapt. Lifestyle tweaks, like gradually increasing fiber intake and staying hydrated, help your gut bacteria adjust without long-term issues. Fiber is essential for gut health, so the discomfort isn't a reason to avoid it. It's a sign your gut needs support to process it better over time. Your gut bacteria are the unsung heroes of digestion. They break down fiber that your body can't digest on its own. These microbes ferment fiber into short-chain fatty acids, which nourish your gut lining and support overall health. But if their balance is off, maybe due to diet changes or antibiotics, your gut might struggle, leading to bloating or gas. This isn't dangerous. It's a sign your microbiome needs time to adjust. Gradually increasing fiber intake helps these bacteria adapt without long-term issues. Sometimes, gut discomfort from fiber doesn't ease with time, or simple tweaks like hydration and gradual intake. If bloating, gas, or changes in bowel habits last more than a few weeks, or if you notice blood, severe pain, or unexplained weight loss, it's wise to consult a healthcare provider. These aren't signs of illness, but they could signal other factors affecting your gut. Think of it like checking your car's warning light. Occasional hiccups are normal, but persistent ones warrant a closer look. Your gut signals matter. Listening carefully ensures you get the right support without skipping the essentials. You've probably heard that fiber is just roughage, something your body can't digest but needs to keep things moving. But that's not the whole story. Fiber isn't just filler. It feeds the trillions of bacteria in your gut, turning it into short-chain fatty acids that nourish your gut lining and support overall health. However, if your gut microbiome is out of balance, maybe From diet changes or antibiotics it might struggle to process fiber, leading to bloating or gas. This isn't dangerous. It's a sign your gut needs time to adjust. Gradually increasing fiber intake helps these bacteria adapt without long-term issues. Fiber isn't just for digestion, it's food for your gut bacteria. These tiny organisms break fiber into short-chain fatty acids, which nourish your gut lining, improving digestion and supporting heart health over time. If your microbiome is out of balance, you might feel bloated or gassy at first. That's normal. It means your gut needs time to adjust. Gradually increasing fiber helps these bacteria adapt without long-term issues. Your gut's reaction to fiber bloating or gas isn't dangerous, but signals your microbiome needs time to adjust. This happens when the balance of bacteria in your gut shifts, perhaps due to diet changes or antibiotics. Gradually increasing fiber helps these bacteria adapt without long-term issues. Always consult a healthcare provider if symptoms persist or worsen. Reflect on your own habits. Do you notice patterns with certain foods? Small, steady changes can support your gut health over time. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual guidance,